Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gorn Guitar, Sean Paul, Manuel Turizo, Dem Time Deh. I'm not sure about that pronunciation here on the song title. Anyway, you know about this song if you listen and tune into this one. And let's take a look at this song. Very easy to play, guys. So we have the capo set on the 3rd fret. Alright, 4 different chords for the song. And it goes like that in the same way through the entire song. We'll love that scenario. All right, so let's start with the chords. We have E minor first. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next is D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And we'll end with the bar chord. It's B minor. So you place the bar on the 2nd fret. So you bar all strings except for the last E here in the bass. So place it right there. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. All right. So that is the order you're going to play the chords as well. So E minor, D, C, and B minor. All right, so the strumming will be for E minor and all other chords. If you take that as an example, down, up, clap, up. So that is one round. Down, up, clap, up. And like I often say in my tutorials, you don't have to go with the up all the way up like this. You just turn your wrist like this and hit the bottom strings there, the E, B, perhaps the G or so, and that's it. So down, up, clap, up. All right, so you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord in the order I already mentioned: E minor 2, D2, C2, and B minor 2, and it goes like this. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Good luck with this one, guys. And until next time, play tuned.